Hey! What's that? Oh, I see. Oh, dear. Ladies and gentlemen, the spring chicken has just informed me that to make sure it's spring, she would like to see a flower. Does anyone have a pretty spring flower? If the spring chicken doesn't see a flower, it won't be spring.
Oh no! Then it won't get warm outside. We won't be able to play in the grass, or ride bikes, or fly kites.
We need a flower. Does anyone see a flower?
Help us find the flower. When you see a flower, point to it. My flower! Look, it's a nice flower. It bloomed! We got a flower over here!
Oh, Una, that is pretty. Ladies and gentlemen, the spring chicken just told me to tell you. Happy spring, everybody!
It's spring!
Let's go, boys!
Come on! Dance with us! Flap your wings and say bok, bok, bok like a chicken.
Clap your wings, get your feet a-kicking. Peck that beat, your spring chicken. Bark, 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 bark.
Happy spring, everybody!
Bark, 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 bark.
I love spring. I like spring too. Even when it rains? Sure, rain is no problem when you have one of these. And it doesn't rain all the time in spring. Gilly? Uh-oh.
Bubble, guppies, bubble, 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 guppy, guppy, guppy.
Bubble, bubble, guppy, guppy.
Bubble guppies, bubble guppies.
My name is Shia. I'm riding on my super skates in Ruby City. I can get to any place. We've got super shades. Anything is possible. With my shade now, we can make a set of wheels. Mighty Mac now, turn it into something real. Just take a shade now, watch me go. My name is Gio. Gio. My name is Gio. Geo.
Join Geo and Team Umizoomi every day on Nick.
We've got a mission. Let the mission begin.